Good morning, 8th class students. We are discussing the chapter number 3 synthetic fiber and plastic. Corrective measure to control plastic pollution. We have discussed about what is plastic pollution and how it can harm us. In the last decade means period of 10 years. The recycling of plastic has become the important method to reduce the plastic pollution. Plastic waste is collected by the rag pickers and waste collectors. All of you have seen the rag pickers and the waste collectors will come for collecting these plastic waste bottles and the extra materials. They take the waste plastic to recycling unit where the plastic is recycled to make the new plastic things. However, the plastics cannot be recycled rapidly. With each recycling, the quality of the plastic goes down and eventually it cannot be recycled anymore. So these are the measures to control the plastic pollution, that use them again and again. Biodegradable plastic. Lot of the research is being done to make the plastic which are biodegradable. Scientists have been able to design some plastic that are biodegradable, which means they can degrade very easily. And one is such example is PHBV. This is the name of the plastic which is biodegradable. However, such plastic are expensive and are not used on large scale. Action taken to reduce the plastic pollution. Government are taking the strict measure to reduce the generation of the plastic waste in the places like Ladakh, Mussoorie, Nainital, Sikkim. Use of the plastic is banned because they are the tourist places. Many tourists came, so plastic bottles, plastic bags, they will put sometimes on the land, sometime in the water, which will cause a lot of pollution. So government have banned the use of plastics in these tourist places. Though the use of the polythene is banned in other places in the India, people do not follow it strictly. Sometimes they take jute bags to the market, but sometimes they do not take jute bags to the market. They simply adhere on the polythene bags. So the government need to take the strict action so as to reduce the production and the use of plastics. Is it clear?